Okay.
Yeah, we swap players. I'm gonna be the cat. You're apparently gonna be a girl.
I don't. Okay. Oh, I don't need the chopped ingredients.
You don't need the chopped ingredients?
You're the plater.
Right. I forgot.
Oh, I do need plates though, so I can put the meat on it.
Right. Okay. Hang on.
Oh wait, I can do buns. Never mind. I don't need plates.
Okay.
That needs a tomato. The next one needs this and this.
There's dirty plate.
Okay. There is that. Oh god. This game is chaotic.
Yeah, it is.
Jesus Christ.
I need more ingredients.
Nope. Nope.
I need.
Nope.
Please,
buns.
please.
Oh. Right, you're gonna be putting the buns on the meat whenever you're
Oh, please. It won't.
There you go. That's one.
Oh god, that's one?
Well, that's another one.
Okay. Okay, this just needs lettuce. I'm sending the lettuce behind it.
Okay.
You're gonna need more. You're gonna need a shit ton of lettuce in the future.
Yeah, just keep lettuce on there.
We have 25 seconds? What do you mean?
I'm also running out of plates.
Oh.
There we go, there's another one we can get sent out. Okay, we've at least hit the 100 marks. We're at least at the 2-star.
Okay, so what's 3-star?
I don't know.
200? That was 180. Okay, that's
180, okay.
That's doable. That's doable. I'll be raccoon.
I'm the cat.
Okay, let's do this. Oh, I'm in a wheelchair?
Yes, you are, apparently.
Okay.
Okay, send me meat first.
Nope.
Sending lettuce next.
Nope.
Ah, frick, why can't I place stuff down? I've got to remember to dash.
Yup. That's what I'm having to remember too. I'm actually gonna move the fire extinguisher. That's like the worst place for that fire extinguisher ever. Okay, I got a finished burger coming your way.
Okay, I'm gonna turn that one into a lettuce one, since that's the first one in line.
Okay, another finished burger coming your way.
One plate, and out.
Okay, getting you more meat coming. Getting
thing's
this
about to
before
burn.
it burns.
Yeah.
Got you completed one coming. Dirty place just going, I guess.
We need those dirty plates.
Yeah, well, okay. It's like no man's land if it gets past the last place where you can see it. It's like, it's so screwed.
There's those. I need those plates.
God, okay. Got it. Coming. Completed one coming behind a plate.
Perfect.
Okay, this one's completed as well. Sending it.
Okay, that one goes with the lettuce. I've got lettuce chopped over here.
I'm gonna send you more ingredients.
Please do. Got more dirty plates coming.
Another completed burger coming.
Alright, I'll hold that one over here until I get a plate.
What do you need more of?
Plates.
That's fair. Completed burger coming. No, I was expecting like, oh, lettuce, tomato, plates.
Oh, frick, I need that plate. Okay, there we go.
Okay, I have no meat cooking.
I'm trying. There we go, another one.
There's
we
more
passed
meat.
the 3-star. We passed the
We passed it. I'm doing. Oh God.
What even is this?